Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you incredible recipe for pastrami with chickpeas. They are very delicious and I'm sure you are going to try it out. So let's get it started. So let's see what we are going to need for this perfect recipe. We need olive oil. We need 2 green peppers. If you don't have green pepper, it's okay that you use red pepper. You need medium-sized onion. You need parsley. You need pepper paste, 1 tablespoon. If you don't have pepper paste, it's okay. You can replace it by tomato paste. Then you are going to need approximately 150 grams of pastrami. Then you are gonna need spices. I put a little salt because we are trying to use not much salt. If you like salt, you can put more. Then we've got black pepper, we've got red pepper, and we've got dried vegetables. So then we need 700 grams of already cooked chickpeas. So guys, if you do not have cooked chickpeas, it's okay. You can cook yourself at home chickpeas. On the low fire, you can cook approximately 1 hour and they will be cooked. You just put water and that's it. No salt, no spices, nothing. Just chickpeas. So now let's do what we gotta do. So I'm gonna open the fire. We need high level fire. Then we are gonna take our olive oil. I told you 2 tablespoons. So in this one I'm gonna use just 1 tablespoon because 1 tablespoon I'm gonna use in other mix of sauce. So I'm gonna add our onions here. And we start mixing them. Next we are going to add our pepper paste. As I told you, if you don't have pepper paste, it's okay. You can use tomato paste. Mixed onion with pepper paste, then we add chickpeas. Then we add boiled water until we close the chickpeas like this. This much is enough. And we'll let the chickpeas boil. Then we close top of the pan. So once our chickpeas are boiling, then we close the top of the pan and then we take it and we are gonna start cooking pastrami in separate pan. So once again, we are gonna use olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Then we pour our pastrami like this. Since pastrami also has oil, it's gonna be pretty much enough for it. Then we start mixing. As you see, pastrami's oil also coming out and it's well cooked. Then we add our green pepper. Then we are gonna add our spices. So we've got here salt, black pepper, red pepper, and dried vegetables. We mix them well here equally. And then we are gonna add to our pastrami. Then we mix them all. Once we mix them all, we don't have to wait for the pepper to be well cooked. We don't need that. We are gonna add this mix to our chickpeas. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out this pan, put back our chickpeas here, then I'm gonna add our pastrami mix here with all spices, and we are gonna make sure our pastrami and our chickpeas are mixed all together. So guys, once you do this, then you will already smell that it's cooked and you are gonna smell delicious food and you are gonna want to eat it. But guys, just wait for another 5 minutes, be patient, and you are gonna get there. We are gonna add our parsley, and then we are gonna close the top of the pan, and we are gonna lower our fire into the lowest. Mix them once again with parsley and let the parsley give all the smell, all the magic into our chickpeas with pastrami. Just 5 more minutes, guys, and then we are gonna have it all. So guys, after 5 minutes, it's gonna look like this. You see pastrami, chickpeas, and our parsley. Oh my god, it smells so good. Now I'm so hungry. Oh god. So guys, the food is ready. I hope you are gonna try it out yourself too. Enjoy your meal. Guys, thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, you can press like, and if you want, you can subscribe to our channel. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.